Hey guys, my name is SAHIL and welcome back to another video. So cutting everything short, you already got the idea what I'm gonna be preparing today. And today's video is especially for all the vegetarians out there who cannot eat chicken and the non-vegetarians for Tuesdays. And trust me guys, today's meal is exactly gonna taste like chicken. So without wasting any more time, let's go to the kitchen.
So I have a block of tofu to be cut into pieces, some onions, red bell peppers and some yellow bell peppers. Then with a medium flame on a non-stick pan, I added some butter and spread it thoroughly and let it heat. Then I added the onions, red and yellow bell peppers and saute it for some time. Now adding the salt, some garam masala and finally the tofu and saute it thoroughly and let it heat for 5 minutes until it's hash brown in color. On the other hand, I have some whole wheat bread to be toasted in the toaster, and after it's toasted, I'll put red pasta sauce on one and jalapeno sauce on the other. Also our hash brown tofu is ready. Now I'll put the filling onto it and cover it to make it a sandwich. Now our tofu, exactly like chicken, is ready and you can enjoy it in a sandwich or eat with a chapati.
So according to my diet for today, I'm having this bowl of tofu with nothing. And I really hope you like this video. And I do suggest you guys to try this ASAP. And before going, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up and help me grow. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.